Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to off Twitter notification. First you need to open the Twitter X and then click on the more and go to the setting and privacy, click on that, and after that you will see there is a notification. Click on that, and on the right side you will see there is a filter and preferences. Click on the preferences and you will see that there is a push notification. You need to click on that, and here you have to push the slider toggle bar to the right side to make the enable notification. And after that you will see that related to the notification to your, so this is the long list. You have to select the notification which you want to turn on or which you want to turn off. So this is very simple and pretty straightforward, and if you want to turn off the notification you just need to turn off the toggle bar to the left side and the all notification will be turned off. So I hope this video helps you to understand the process. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.